Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at the latest version of Microsoft Stream. So if it's available within your domain, if you click on the 9 boxes, this is what you'll see. You can see there is a link to return to Classic Stream. We're going to focus on how you can do a video using the new version of Microsoft Stream. So you'll see the big pink box, new recording button. If you click on that, it will load up your camera and you can see there I am. So if you want to record a video with a camera, then you can alter the backdrop. So you've got all of the backdrops that you'd expect from Teams. You've got the ability to blur a background as well. And having done that, let's put in a different one. You can then also choose where you're positioned within the frame. And by picking up the handles, you can reduce or increase your size, and you can move yourself from one side to the other as well. So that's really useful. Nice feature. So there I am just in the bottom corner. Other options I can do is I can mirror the video, so I can change it around if I want. I can choose just mic only if I don't want to appear in the shot. And then having done that, I've got effects. So I've got the ability to add a pen. So I could add my own image. I can adjust the thickness of the pen here. And then I can start to annotate the video as I go. So that could be quite useful. Other effects you've got. So that's the pen. Let's go back. You've got the ability to add filters, upload photos, and add text as well. So very similar to the Flip app, and you can do similar things to that. So that's how you can record yourself. And what you do is when you're ready, you press record. It gives you a countdown, and you could talk through what's what. And then when you're happy, you can click stop and go next, and you've got your preview. And that's your video, and you can publish that, or you could choose to download it. So let's retake that. And now what I'm going to do is, instead of recording myself, I'm going to record a screen. So I'm going to click record screen, and we can pick camera and microphone. We can click start recording. We can then choose what it is we want to record. So we can go, okay, we want a specific tab. And it's giving us that thing, and it's now recording. So this is what it's recording. So we can go through and play our video. We could talk through our presentation, whatever it is we want to do. And when we're happy we've finished that, we can click stop sharing. And it's giving us that thing, and it's now recording. So this is what it's recording. And you can see there it is, it's recorded that for us. So if we were happy with that, we could then click publish. And it will upload that to OneDrive. Having done that, you've got various things you can do. So we can click into the box to edit the title. On this side, we've got the ability to add a thumbnail. So we can choose a thumbnail, or we can upload one ourselves. We can choose to have the information about the video on or off. And we can turn off comments or turn on comments. So there you have it, a really nice and easy way to record your screen or to create a video and then share it just as you would within OneDrive. You've got the option to click share. You've got an embed code and a copy link as well. So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, but subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.